be a tutorial by Nanette Hernandez, and it would be to create lists and groups. So the first step would be creating a new file and entering the fairing for the file name, and then click OK and set the tolerance to default. And make sure the analysis code and analysis type are for Nastra and Structural respectively, and then OK. Then we'll create the geometry and select point and enter the coordinates for 30, 0, 0, and then apply. And then change the object to curve. And enter for the vector coordinate list 0, 120, and 0, and for the origin coordinate list 50, 40, and 0. And then click Apply. Click on Show Label icon. And then we'll be clicking on point 1 under Starting Point List, and then click on point 2 for Ending Point List. Then we'll be clicking Apply. So now we'll be creating the surface, and we'll enter the coordinate 0.2 for axis and enter the 160 for the total angle. Turn the auto execute off and select curves 1 and 2, then click Apply. And viewing angles, we'll be entering 30, 0, 0 on viewing angles, and then we'll be clicking Apply. So now on display, we'll go to geometry, then enter 3 for number of display lines, and then we click Apply, then cancel. On mesh, we'll enter and select the number of elements and enter 36 for the number. Select the top circumferential edge of the fairing, surface 1.3, and click Apply. Now we'll select L1 and L2 and enter 7 through 10 for L1 and L2 respectively. Turn Auto Execute off under the curve list and the curve 1 and to click Apply. Then we'll do the same thing, select L1 and L2 and enter 4 through 7 respectively. Under the curve list, select curve 2 and click Apply. So now for the model, we'll select the quad isomesh and quad 4. Select the entire model by dragging a box around it and click Apply. Remove the displays line by clicking on the display lines icon. Remove the labels by clicking the Hide Labels icon. And decrease the point size clicking on the point size icon. So will we click on the plot erase icon and click on erase under fem, then OK. Then we'll be clicking on the element and set topology to bar 2, then shift select the 3 surface edge as indicated, and then click apply. And to the elements, select the free edge and display type and then click apply, then elements, equivalent, all tolerance, cube, and then click apply. We'll do that again. To create a group, we'll click on the plot erase icon under the fem, click plot, then click OK, then group create, enter the fem for the new group name, select unpost all other groups, change grow, contact to add all fem, and click apply. To create material properties, we'll have to enter alum-1 for the material name, then click on Input Properties, and select Linear Elastic and put the following numbers for elastic modulus, Poisson ratio, and density, then click OK, then apply. And then do that for element number 2 with their following respective numbers. So now we'll create a field, and we'll enter the thickness for the field's name. Enter the following numbers for scalar function and select apply. Enter the temperature, and for the field, enter the temperature for the field's name. Enter the following number for scalar function and click apply. Now we'll be creating the element properties. Click on the front view icon properties, and enter the prop-1 for the property set name. Click on Input Properties, click on Material Properties on alum-1 from select existing material. Click on Thickness icon and select Thickness, and then click OK. Select Member and click the shell element icon. Then click Add. And then OK. Then Apply. Now enter the prop-2 and select the element 2. Then select the thickness icon and click OK. Unselect Member. Select the model part of the Portrait Fairy and click Add and then Apply. Now on loads, the object would be temperature, so enter temp for the new set name, click on Input Data, and then click on Temperature and select Temperature from the special fields. Now select Application Region under Geometry Filter, select FEM, and then click Application Region, and then click Add, then OK, and then Apply. So now we'll go to Load, and we'll select the underload, remove check for temperature, then click Apply, then Cancel. Now the object would be the element, and we'll select in Tools, List and Create, then FEM, Element, Attribute, then under Attribute select Material, and under Existing Material select Element 1, and select the target A, Apply. Select Thickness on Properties and Display Method to Scalar Plot. Select the current viewport and select FEM and click Apply. So now we'll change the F to greater than and enter 9.98. Select B, the target list, and then click Apply. We'll select in Tools, List, Boolean, and click the intersect icon and click on Replace A and click Cancel. Then on Loads Contour, we'll be selecting the existent set, the temperature, and the FEM group. Apply. Now for more lists. Now for more lists, we'll select the fringe value and default fringe attributes and fringe tools, respectively. Change the F to greater than and enter 230. Select B for the target list and click on clear on the list B form. Click apply and list create form. Now on list boolean clear, click on the intersect icon and click on add to group. Enter common -squad for the group name and then click apply, then cancel. So now we'll select the common quads group under select group to post and then click apply, then cancel and click ISO 1 view icon. Then click the reset graphics icon and enter prop1-group for the group name. Select prop1 under property sets and then click apply. Repeat steps entering prop2-group for the group name and select prop2 under property sets. Then click apply. So to change the display attributes, we'll have to display entity color label render. We'll select the group under entity color and labeling. Select the prop1 group and target groups. Select wireframe and render style and select yellow for the shade color. Click apply. Then for the prop2 group for the target groups, select highlight for the render style and select dark blue for the shade color. Then click apply, then cancel. So now will be post groups. So we'll be clicking on ISO 3 view icon. And in group, in post, under select group, to post select group 1 group and click apply. So now we'll be selecting the groups to post select group 2 group and then click apply. And then we'll be selecting groups to post group 1 group and group 2 group and then we'll be clicking apply. And this would be it.